Paradigm raises 1.2B fourth fund, betting on crypto and AI crypto venture firm. Paradigm has raised $1.2 billion for its fourth fund, targeting startups across crypto and artificial intelligence, according to a July 9, 2026 post from Cointelegraph citing the raise. The close ranks among the larger crypto-native fund commitments announced this year, and the dual crypto plus AI mandate marks a shift in how one of the sector's most influential backers frames its next set of bets. A large close in a cautious market, the size stands out because it lands during a stretch of investor caution. Bitcoin traded around $6,252 as of July 9, 2026, down 2.2% on the day, with Ethereum near $1,740, and the Fear and Greed Index sitting at 26, firmly in fear territory. Raising over $1 billion into that backdrop is a statement of conviction from limited partners who are writing checks based on a multi-year horizon, not this week's candles. Paradigm has been one of the defining crypto funds since its 2018 launch, with early positions across major protocols and exchanges. A fourth fund at this scale gives the firm a deep reserve to lead rounds and follow on through a downturn, when valuations are lower and competition for deals thins out. Funds raised during fear tend to deploy into the recovery that follows, which is the pattern most large allocators are counting on here. The AI and crypto crossover thesis. The detail that separates this raise from a standard crypto fund is the explicit AI component. Rather than treating artificial intelligence as an adjacent sector, Paradigm is folding it into the same mandate as its blockchain investments. That framing tracks with where a growing share of venture attention has moved. Infrastructure that sits between the two fields, including decentralized compute markets, verifiable AI outputs, agent-based payment systems, and data networks that use token incentives to bootstrap supply. The convergence is not purely narrative. Crypto rails give autonomous software a way to hold value, settle transactions, and pay for services without a human clicking approve, while cryptographic proofs offer a route to verify what an AI model actually did. Several of the largest crypto raises in 2026 have leaned on some version of this pitch. Paradigm putting institutional weight behind it signals that the AI crypto crossover has moved from conference talking point to a funded investment category. A signal for where capital flows next. One large fund does not turn a market, but it does reset expectations for what gets funded next. When a firm with Paradigm's track record raises this much with a specific thesis, other allocators and founders tend to orient toward the same categories. Expect more seed and Series A activity aimed at the AI crypto intersection over the coming quarters, and expect competing funds to sharpen their own crossover narratives in response. For the broader ecosystem, the raise is a counterweight to the gloom in the price data. Fund closes are a lagging but meaningful confidence indicator. Limited partners committed this capital knowing the market mood, which suggests the smart money is positioning for the next expansion rather than retreating from the space. It also keeps builder funding flowing, which matters for the products that eventually reach everyday users, from wallets to payment tools to the crypto cards that turn on-chain balances into everyday spending. The near-term read Paradigm has not, per the available reporting, published a detailed breakdown of check sizes, target stages, or the split between crypto and AI allocations, so specifics on deployment remain thin. The headline is the amount and the mandate, $1.2 billion, pointed at crypto and AI. Anything beyond that, including which subsectors get the first checks, is not confirmed by the source, and should be treated as open. The takeaway for anyone watching the sector is straightforward. A top-tier crypto fund just added significant firepower with an AI-inflected strategy in a month when sentiment is weak and prices are soft. That combination, large dry powder plus a fresh thesis deployed into fear, is usually the setup for the deals that define the following cycle.